Welcome back to Richmond's Place. And today, in today's video, I'm going to have you come along with me into the garden and see what needs to be pulled out, what needs to be replanted, and give you a little bit of a garden tour. So follow me, let's go. Okay, so I got me a little helper here. This is my grandson Jax, and he wants to help with the garden tour. So
I'm going to talk to the camera for a long time.
are you going to talk to the camera for a long time?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so let's start with some of the beans. These are the royal purple beans that are still coming on, and they're doing really good. I got a lot out of them. And over here we got some of the Kentucky Wonder pole beans. Those are still coming on. I've gotten probably about four grocery bags full of these. I'm so happy about that. Definitely needed some green beans this year. And these here, I think that these ones are maybe the cowpeas. See, they're starting to come on, like, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, well, right there. I think that these are the cowpeas, and they're just now starting to sprout a little bit. So we'll see how they do. And the tomatoes some are doing really, really well. Some aren't doing very well. The heat has really gotten them. And I haven't pruned any still, so I'm thinking next year I'm definitely going to be pruning, because this is starting to become a wild, a wild mess here. And I think that's one of the reasons why there's a little bit of some early disease happening here.
All right. We got some yummy tomatoes.
He really likes tomatoes. Okay, so let's move along. Now, my tomatoes are, like I said, are still doing, they're still producing a lot of tomatoes, and I'm going to be making some sauce. I already have enough to make a batch of sauce. I'm going to be making a whole lot. I'm even going to be making some salsa verde with some of these green tomatoes here.
Can I touch it again?
And they're huge. Got some Romas. I love tomatoes, they're so good. So many uses for tomatoes. Anyhow, so I'm going to show you now what we're going to pull out and we're going to replant, okay? So over here is I'm not going to pull these out, but I am going to top off all of these onions here, and we're going to make some green onion pesto, and I'm going to take you guys along with me to do that. Here's one of the red cabbages that actually don't look too bad, so I think I'm going to leave that one and this one here. The red cabbages are doing a lot better than the green ones for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to give those a chance. I'm going to pull these, and the bugs really got the green cabbages, so I'm thinking I'm just going to pull them all and see which ones got, a lot of damage on them, which ones didn't. See what they look like. And this is my cilantro coming along still. The seeds are looking nice. Check it out. And so we're also going to clip back some of these kale plants, because they're still producing. Some of them are, some of them aren't. Some of them got really attacked by the cabbage moths. But these these broccolis that have went to seed, I'm going to pull these out, and we're going to start some broccoli from seed actually and see how that does. Also cauliflower, we're gonna start that from seed as well. Gonna pull out a lot of this and start things from seed and see how well they grow. This is the Brussels sprouts. That's not really doing all that good. So I'm thinking that the cabbage moths are just eating everything. I don't know. But the peppers are still coming on. Look at that. Tons and tons of peppers. They're making salsas. Let's see. Peppers, most of the peppers are staying in, except for the ones that are dying back. The ones that moles got underneath and ate the roots. See there? Killed these ones. I have to trap them moles. And this row here is more peppers and onions and a couple beets that we're gonna pull. We're gonna pull the beets and plant something else there. And we're also, well, these are still producing. These are the beans that are the Kentucky pole beans that are still producing. So I'm gonna let them go. I'm gonna keep them until they just aren't doing anything anymore, which I hope that they just keep on producing because I love green beans. Now these sugar snap peas, I've already harvested a ton of these, and I mean, they're not producing like they were. They're starting to die back already, so pretty soon I'm gonna pull these, and I think we're gonna just plant some more, a variety of different beans, because I have a few. See how they're starting to die back here. And the cucumbers, we're also going to start pulling them because I definitely have enough. And I'm just constantly out here, you know, pulling the big ones. And this is a big one here. Look at that. Thing is huge. Planted way too many cucumbers. So we're gonna pull these, take out the small ones, probably keep a lot of the small ones still, and make some more pickles. We'll have pickles for the next 5 years. Look at that one. That one's humongous. Won't be planting that many next year for sure, because that was pretty ridiculous how many they produced, and then, you know, it just went to waste. Most of them went to waste. Didn't need that many at all. And over here we have the Swiss chard rhubarb, or the rhubarb Swiss chard, which I think is really pretty. I love the colors on there. I'm gonna leave those and see how big they get. These are the onions. Those are looking really good. Some more of the Swiss chard. The Swiss chard is doing pretty well. I'm gonna leave all this in. This is like a big row of onions right here that are doing pretty well. So I'm happy about that because we use a lot of onions. And over here is all the pumpkins and the squash plants. And the rest of this row here is all the squash and the squash is doing really well. Got some buttercup squash coming. We got this is some pumpkins. Already starting to get baby pumpkins. Check it out. Oh, look at that, it's so cute. The pollinators really like the pumpkins and the squash plants. So check it out. Isn't that beautiful? And these over here are the celeries that are looking really good. I'm gonna start, I started harvesting some of it for our rabbits, but I'm gonna start harvesting some for us. and freezing them. Now all these are the lettuce that I let go to seed. I'm gonna pull these out and we're gonna replant this, almost this whole entire row with the exception of the celery. We'll get some more stuff started in here. Check out these nasty little boogers on my tomato plants. See that? Done picked off so many of those hornworms. Time to get started again. So Jax, what do you like best about Grandma's garden?
Sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas? Why?
Because I tried them all the time.
Yeah, and they're super tasty, huh? What do they taste like?
They taste like sugar snap peas.
Do they? Okay. Look at the size of this beauty. That is beautiful. So even though that the roads county commission mowed down probably half of my sunflowers, the weeds filled in the spots that they mowed down. So I'll show you. It still looks pretty. Look at all them beautiful weeds. They're weed flowers. They look so pretty though. I still have some small sunflowers that haven't bloomed yet. Waiting for those. Here's some that have. Looks pretty nice. These are the small ones. Kind of bummed out that I'm not going to have any big ones this year, but got some. They didn't take out all of them. So I guess I should be glad about that. See how the weeds just filled these right in, these gaps? They must have felt sorry for me. So these are some of the potatoes. These ones aren't ready to pull yet, but there was some over here that was ready that I pulled just to see what I was gonna get, and they were very small. I'm guessing it was due to a lack of water. So hopefully these ones will do a little bit better. We're probably gonna have to get some type of sprinkler back here and water them that way, because we've had a drought going on, that's for sure. I really can't take it. Aren't those gorgeous? I don't care if they're weeds or not. They are so pretty. I'm gonna have to crochet something that looks like that. It's so pretty. Look at all those. Those are pretty too. Bees seem to really like them too. Check it out.
They won't see my feet.
Bees are digging that. Look at that beautiful bee.
Oh, look at these ones. Those ones.
Okay, so we're getting ready to harvest some of these cabbages right now. Jax is helping me fill up some of these buckets so we can get some of the buggies off. Okay, fill up the other one, bud. Grandma's gonna get on the other side here. Ain't it pretty? I think we'll probably be able to make some sauerkraut out of this. Rinsing them off real good. You're not playing basketball, bud. What are you doing? What in the world is this? Come on, come on. Let's go. Out. No, 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 no. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. You guys can't come in here. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. No, no, come on. Out, out, out. I'll give you guys some treats in a minute. I'm sorry. You guys can't come in here.
Why?
Here, go put this in the bucket for me, please. Okay. Thank you. This should make some tasty onion pesto. Okay, that's it for this garden tour. Stay tuned for future videos, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.
Subscribe, and make sure you subscribe, and make sure you smash the like button.
Yeah, smash that like button. Bye. Have a blessed day.
Goodbye.